Prime factorization. Prime factorization of a number is a factorization where every factor is a prime number. As a reminder, a prime number only has itself and 1 as a factor. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. That's enough to get us started. Notice I didn't put 1. 1 and 0 are not prime numbers. And all the other numbers, if they have another factor, those are called composites. But moving on. Prime factorization. We're going to use the factor tree method in this example, or these examples. So the prime factorization of 6. Now ideally you start with the prime number, you don't have to. But let's say 2 times 3. Well, circle each of the primes. Once you circle a prime number, then you are through with that side. And so 2 is prime, we're finished, and also 3 is prime, so that didn't take much. And the prime factorization of 6 is 2 times 3. 18. Well, 18 is even, I say to myself. And so I'll use 2 times 9. 2 is prime, so I'll circle it. And since I've circled it, I'm through with that side. There's no more factoring to do on that side. Now 9. 9 is an odd number. Some people think it's prime, but no. If you think about it, 3 times 3. So it does have another factor besides itself and 1. So we'll continue the factorization. But 3 times 3. 3 is prime, so we circle it, and now we're done. And the factorization for 18 would be 2 times 3 times 3. And notice I put them in numerical order from least to greatest. That is the standard way of doing it. 140. Wow, that's a big number. Well, I know that if a number ends in 0, I can always divide 10 into it evenly. So it doesn't have to be prime when you start. In this case, neither number is prime, so I just won't circle either one of them. I'll continue. So 10, I can break that down to 2 times 5. 2 is prime, and so is 5. So I'm done with that side of the tree. 14. What are the factors of 14? 2 times 7. And both are prime, so I'm done. So the prime factorization for 140, put them in numerical order, and so that'll be 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. 400. I could have 2 zeros, so I would do 4 times 100. Okay, and then I break, neither one is prime, so 4, I can break that down to 2 times 2. We were reversing colors here, huh? And then 100 is 2 times 50. Circle 2 as my prime number, and then 50 I can do a 2. Now I really like to start with 2. I always think about 2 first, just to see. That way you're not jumping all over the place. And then 5 times 5. Both of those are prime. And so my prime factorization for 400, how many 2's do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put them all. 2, 2, and 5 times 5. And that is the factor tree method for prime factorization.